Okay, so now on the next figure is a table which shows this is a partial list of the hyperlipidemias. The pathologist will talk about the complete list of the hyperlipidemias. This is just a partial list which just illustrates a few comments to make about the biochemistry between type 1 and type 2A hyperlipidemia. Now type 1 hyperlipidemia is simply, fortunately it's rare. It's where people have a gene defect of either the lipoprotein lipase or the ApoC. And remember, these two proteins, LPL or ApoC, these two proteins are necessary to break down triglycerides in lipoproteins. So if either the enzyme being defective or the activator being defective, either one will give rise to type 1 hyperlipidemia. Fortunately, it's rare. Now it says here, if people are missing either the LPL or the ApoC enzyme activator, triglyceride levels in the blood will be elevated. And it says in chylomicrons is where you expect to see elevated triglycerides. And then, as you know from pathology, you have the red-orange eruptive xanthomas, characteristic, where in the skin you see all these little pimple-looking materials, these red-orange eruptive xanthomas laden with triglycerides. And you also have the fatty liver. But one thing I want to mention here is, it says here that you'll see elevated triglycerides when a person, and those triglycerides will be in chylomicrons. But is there any other lipoprotein that you might expect to see be elevated in type 1 hyperlipidemia? There's 6 lipoproteins. One of them that might be elevated is chylomicrons. Any other lipoprotein that might be elevated?